What's up and welcome to this episode of Sunny Driver. Today we have a pretty cool one, as you can see right there. So funny story, last week we were out here doing the photo shoot with the Ferrari 348, and I'll put a link down to that below if you want to see that. But as soon as we pulled up to the spot at the same time, the Evo pulled up right behind us and we're like, oh, that's pretty rad. The owner over here came over and like, you can just tell super stoked. Completely different cars, but still the same level of like just super into it, stoked on cars. So today we're featuring the Evo. We're gonna do some photos and we're gonna get some rollers. Let's get to it.